great view of the sign. Oh my god, I think I missed it.
You got me aching, got me wanting more. Yeah, got a feeling never felt before. Got me buzzing, got me buzzing. You got something that I can't deny. Got me so excited, got me feeling high. Got me humming, got me humming. Got me buzzing, got me buzzing, got me buzzing.
We are in Mount Hood, Oregon. We started in Idaho, drove through Washington, and finally made it to Mount Hood. We're staying in Laurence Lake at Kinnikinnick Campground. It's $23 a night, but you can also do a day use fee for $5 a day. It's cold water, but it's nice when you're under the Pacific Northwest. Extremely rare heat dome.
I'm melting! Melting!
We stayed in spot 13 for the first 2 nights. This spot was huge. You could fit like 4 more tents there. It has a path to the lake. They have 16 reservable spots and 9 first come, first served spots and 2 vault toilets.
Smells great.
This was our first dry campground, which means no running water and no showers. So Caitlin is loving it. There are 2 trails that connect to our campground. The first one we did was the Laurence Lake High Ridge hike, which has 17 switchbacks. It's rated as moderate and is a 6.6 mile round trip. It isn't well marked, so the way you get there is you go from the campground as if you're leaving the campground, get to the dam, walk across the dam, and then at the end of the dam, on the right, you start that path there. Towards the end of the 17 switchbacks, we were greeted with a beautiful, majestic deer.
Hi. It looks like a statue.
Also a view of Mount Rainier. So just hit the decommissioned road again. There's a little trail on the left that dead ends, and you get this view of Mount Rainier.
We did it!
The second hike from the campground we did on our last day there was Elk Cove Trail. It summons Mount Hood. It's rated as hard. Very well marked once you get up there, but from our campground, it's not marked at all. So go to the parking lot and there's a road that goes up. It's like the first road on the left. It's about a mile walk. Once we got to the end of it, we realized there's a little bit of parking there. So definitely just drive up and park there.
How do we get across? Oh my gosh. Really? I guess it is.
But we didn't finish it.
Yeah, we're just doing a little hike.
A little bit.
What do you think of this hike?
That's alright. But I think after you got where we got, it's all sun.
Yeah, it was pretty shady where we've been.
Yeah.
A little bit of sun.
I think you'd want to go early or like late, I guess, to stay. Or just, be prepared.
Favorite thing about this campground is the proximity to the small town 15 minutes away called Parkdale. We went to Solera Brewery that had a great outdoor space with another amazing view of Mount Hood.
I'm videoing.
Well, now I look like an idiot. Thanks.
After that, we had Apple Valley Barbecue. It was at this point, Caitlin and I realized that our summer trip was going to be about exploring the cities and towns we stay in and camping. We only reserved 2 nights, but we knew we wanted to stay longer. So we packed up our spot in the morning and then moved it to spot number 5, one of the first come, first served spots, and set everything back up. But we're getting really good at it, so it's fine.
Now that I got a taste,
Yeah.
We're camping clean.
We're camping clean. So we got our paddleboarding on to redeem us from our Hayburn experience, and we paddleboarded at Trillium Lake, which was so much better. It was calm. They have paddleboard rentals, and they also have single kayaks, tandem kayaks, and canoes. FYI, they don't take reservations, but there are plenty to choose from.
Claire is gonna put the phone between her boobs.
Boob point of view. I love you, you're so cute. How many fish do you think are in here? I'm not gonna ram you, I'm just coming near you. I feel like fish have a lot of eggs. Yeah, but I still have to live with you. It's so nice out. Life has a lot of really cool things, and we can do them all the time. I think we just get in our own way. LA has like trained me to be like worried that everything's gonna run out, you're never gonna get anything, because I was so concerned about like the paddle boards, getting a spot. I mean, like obviously the spots were taken, but you always have to be like so far ahead, like thinking far ahead to be an RV. That guy was like, good thing you have this kind of car. I'm like, my car can't do anything. I was trying to turn, but I don't think I'm gonna turn in time. Wait, we still have 20 minutes? Oh, okay. So the reason why I wanted to go here is because they filmed the exterior of The Shining at Timberline Lodge. They didn't film the interiors there. My friend Liz wanted to point that out. That's in Colorado, so just the exteriors here. If you haven't seen The Shining, go watch it after this video because it's a great, super scary movie, but it's awesome. And Jack Nicholson's terrifying. And his eyebrows are just like my dad's, which makes it even more scary. They also have a Magic Mile sky ride that you can take to the 7,000 foot level. Another fun fact, it's also where the Mountain Rescue Association was formed by 11 search and rescue teams at Timberline Lodge in 1959. There are an unlimited amount of hikes in Mount Hood, which made it really hard to pick which ones we wanted to go to. But one of our last ones was the hike to Tamanawas Falls, which is right off the main road and has a lot of parking. We didn't have to pay for parking because we had our America the Beautiful annual pass, which I feel like maybe we could have gotten free at Trillium Lake, but I don't know. The trail is a moderate, heavily trafficked 3.4 mile round trip. It was after our refreshing hike that we remembered we are surrounded by wineries and discovered this thing called the Fruit Loop, which is 26 member stands that offer a variety of wines, fruits, vegetables, flowers, ciders, and food. We enjoyed some amazing pizza and salad and beautiful views. We are off to Bend, Oregon next.